Today, analysts are buried under endless reports and flying spreadsheets, spending most of their time just trying to keep up. Nearly 80% of their day is wasted on repetitive work, instead of uncovering real insights. So, to solve this, we created this. Introducing DataSpecter AI, your personal data companion that turns hours of manual analysis into seconds of intelligent insight.
At the heart of DataSpecter AI is an orchestrated multi-agent system. The Orchestrator, guided by a React-style reasoning loop, analyzes each dataset and plans the best execution path. Below it, the coordinator manages the agent registry and delegates tasks to 6 specialist agents that can run in parallel. Together, they form a flexible pipeline that adapts to the structure and needs of your data. Instead of forcing every dataset through the same rigid workflow, each node here is a specialist: preprocessor, analyzer, feature engineer, forecaster, anomaly detector, and the RAG agent.
Agents are different. We get specialization, coordination between experts, real reasoning about what each dataset needs, adaptability to different domains, and scalability as we add new agents over time.
Under the hood, we use Python and LangChain for agent orchestration, with Google Gemini 2.0 Flash as our primary LLM. Streamlit powers a responsive, interactive front-end so users can explore results in real time. For machine learning, we combine scikit-learn, LightGBM, and XGBoost for preprocessing, forecasting, and anomaly detection. Everything is deployed on Streamlit Cloud and containerized with Docker.
This is DataSpecter AI in action. With just a single upload, our platform automatically analyzes the data through expert agents working together. In moments, you see a complete dashboard packed with key metrics, detailed charts, forecasts, and outlier detections. You can then chat with the AI to ask questions and get instant data-driven answers in natural language. All processing happens instantly, no manual effort, no waiting. DataSpecter AI delivers the results and insights analysts need, saving hours of work. Thank you for watching. Team DataSpecter signing off, building smarter, faster insights for everyone. Check out our live app and GitHub repo using the links in description.